Welcome back.
To what?
I know. Right, welcome back to another video for Destination Modified, obviously. Working on this unit. This wee fella. Doesn't look like much. The Peugeot 207 GT, of course, nothing but the finest of gear we work on. If you do hear a noise, it's pretty cold. So, if you can hear that, apologise, but as you can see, it's a bit goldy. Bit gold. So, aye, looks like a normal Peugeot 207. It's basically not just a basic. We only open these because they were frozen shut. We've got them. We've got this little fella. So it's twin charged, supercharged and turbocharged. It's pretty cool. It's obviously this is an old ejacular off of the old, I don't know if it was like a PD engine or a CR engine out of a Skoda, as you can see here, Kel. Skoda. And then they've just like welded these end caps and that on, made in a wee cooler, which is pretty sick if you're into that type of thing. Let's look at the size of this. Look at that fella.
Girthy.
That's a unit like, isn't it? And don't worry about the fact there's no Jubilee clips and that or anything holding it on. It's only a boost pipe, what do you need them for? Actually, that might not be a boost pipe, that actually might just be like a cooler. Nah, it will be. Nah, ignore me. This one, well, as we found out when we started it, to bring it in here, which we knew it was already running rough anyway, that's why it's in. But it let out a big puff of smoke from the old bonnet when it made a big bang.
It did a life delete.
It did, like, as you see, you can kind of see it, like, you can't really see it, but it's full on, like, ripped the rocker cover gasket out off. Obviously it's, pressure's getting into the head, so I'm guessing the piston rings and that or something like that, it's probably maybe, or valves and that have decided not to do its job.
Danger to manifold.
So it's got a new engine, which is, do you want me to show you the engine?
Yeah.
Will we show them the new engine? Not yeah, much
so it's getting an engine replacement because this one's just at the bed.
So the customer didn't know, he basically built it, he wanted to get it running, so it was running absolutely perfect, got it all tweaked and everything, all the fuel, trim and everything all bang on, and then he knew it was always going to go bang because obviously it couldn't take the power because it's a completely original engine. But he already had another engine getting built at the time than this, before he could get in it, it already went bang. But it's was running perfectly. I don't know how you can say perfectly when the engine's shit itself. But it was running alright, making decent enough power. I think once it's all done, it's going to be over 400 horse, I think. So it'll be quite the sleeper considering it's just a typical, well, if you race check it, it's just your typical 1.6 GT. Don't forget it. Anyway, I'll show them the engine. Come on, come on.
What's happening, Mark?
Not much, you?
No much, man.
Much you? I'll put the light on here. Oh. So not as much to look at. Like, I think the gearbox has all been rebuilt. It's all got new gears.
Carbon synchros, bro.
Synchros and everything. It's got LSD. And then obviously the engine's all fully forged, rods, pistons, upgraded valves, valve springs, upgraded like fuel pump and stuff like that. And then there's going to be bits and bobs that have to be swapped about from this one, from that one obviously. And then there's also, come see this one here in a minute. Right, just let them hear the click, come close. Acoustic. So we have good old CA shifter. Show you the unit.
Oh. Very nice.
Alright, it's very nice. I think these are like them insane drive shafts that can handle like 1,000 horsepower, whatever they are. Good old, if I can get it out of here, because it's, what even's going on here? Yeah.
Oh, that's one of them alternators, isn't it?
Yeah. This is just a tensioner. Yeah, so anyway, it's a wee good old Mamba Felly. It's brand new, like, so it's just ready to go on. Well, I think it's brand new. It looks, if it's not, it's definitely been rebuilt.
Type is it? There you go.
Right. Anyway, so there's that to go on. Which will be pretty cool. I think the turbo on this one's gone as well. that. What else is there in this? There's actually quite a lot. And then there's like vibra engine mounts and what have you. Big old vibra, fairly.
Lovely.
Tasty. So, engine mount, gearbox mount, dog bone mount. I think that's all there is to show just now. There is other wee bits and stuff, but I don't know exactly what. But today, I think what we're going to start with. Pump front end off.
May as well just take the front end off.
Might as well, for the sake of it.
It kind of helps if we're removing an engine light.
Yeah, so we're going to take all front end off, wheels and everything off. We're going to get all the drain all the fluids, coolant, gearbox oil, engine oil, all that sort of stuff, and then take all like the radiator stuff like that out, and we'll be.
Yeah, we'll basically document the whole process of taking this engine out, putting the new one in.
Yeah.
And then installing the new turbo.
There'll be bits and bobs you might miss just because obviously I'll do it, because obviously you can't.
Will you?
Aye, will I? Because I'm a
What's that about like?
Because I am quite an independently strong human.
Whatever you say, like.
Yeah. So, so there might be bits and bobs that I'll do between hours before you can get here, because I can't wait till 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock every night, boys, after I've been working all day. Right. You've went home, had your tea and that, you're all nice and easy. I've been here all day. Eat Anyway, I don't know how we'll go about it, how we'll do it. We'll time lapse some bits, I guess, and then we'll just obviously talk through some bits. And you'll probably just... that'll be it, I think.
Let's get started. Manual labour at its finest, look.
That is a man at work right there. Yeah, I'm a farmer. I'm a farmer.
I'm a farmer.
Don't ever say that again. Remember how this goes, boys, remember that.
Swipe Dale's video. Swipe Dale's video.
Yeah, we're actually only videoing this so I can go back and look to how it all goes back together. It's the only reason. I say I was documenting it for the YouTube fans, but because I've got a bad memory. Baby. So we've got the bumper everything loose, as you can kind of, well, you'll see in a minute. We'll take it all off, but there's not really much I can say. I don't know what you want me to say here, Callum. There's a few screws underneath, there's a few poppers, there's a few screws on top, it comes out. Aye? Aye? No one else is going to do this, because no one else has got this set up. Aye? Right, so you just unclip it from the top, as usual, unclip. Yeah. I just like it, and then fire it off, make sure there's nothing connected. Yeah, everything's disconnected. One. Whoa!
One here.
What? That's just a wee, that's nothing serious, just an airbag. You just see that wee tab, so you pull it up. That's it, then pull it that way. Oh yeah.
Easy job, boys.
And I'll just take that away from you.
Ideal, mate.
So that, what's going up here there? Melt it. That's that. 60 pellet. Look at that for a setup then.
Actually does look pretty cool, like. I think you should just run it without a bumper.
Yeah.
There's a wee headlight out fairly. That's not the original plug anyway.
Didn't ask. About time. Well, what are we doing here, Callum?
Just taking that bottom radiator hose pal yourself. It's only took us about 53 attempts.
It has. It's finally off.
Oh, baby.
Happy days!
Easy game.
What a
mate.
boys.
Easy game. Oh yeah, what the hell was that? Fell in there. That clip just fall in there.
Ideal, mate. Nice.
So aye, voila. Again, I did say you missed loads of bits, didn't I? Well, as simple as that. A couple of bolts, whole thing just falls off. Simple as that. R7's off. Your charge cooler, I'm going to say what was up here. I think it was radiator and the cooler everything obviously is all off. Left all this on just now, just because I'm going to try to take all like this kind of section off as sort of like one, so it's like, it looks like quite a lot just now, but I'll take it off as one, so it's easier for me to remember. It's a bad sign if I forget all that. Like, and then oil limit is drained. Obviously, radiator that's all off, so coolant's drained. Gearbox that's drained. And we'll basically just keep going from here. Next will be like all the underside everything off, and then we'll try to get all these bits dismantled and engine out. So the next video should hopefully maybe be the engine actually coming out. I think. If I can,
Hopefully, yeah, we should be able to.
it's not too cold.
Yeah.
I mean, but no, that should be basically a bit. I think, or at least like I say by the bits when in terms of like you'll miss it all. Is obviously I'm going to do it between work, like between like jobs. If I'm waiting for parts and stuff like that, I can then obviously do this. Whereas you just can't get here till back and forth usually.
Yeah.
So when you come, I'll leave it so it's at a state it's literally ready just to be unbolted, come out, and then we can kind of side compress the engines, and then we'll just start swapping stuff over, and hopefully it'll go pretty plain sailing. Obviously with the calibre and mark helping, we'll be absolutely no bother at all. Yeah.
Large
But,
and in charge.
We couldn't actually get an engine crane, so we're using Mark. Kelvin did say give it a shot, but I said you probably could even lift that off. I mean, he goes to the gym once a week or something.
His hands dirty.
No, he gets his hands dirty in that, and he gets to his
Yeah.
scrape, and that's it, he calls it off. Oh, I can't do it anymore. Is that us? What do you want me to say, Kelv? Will you like, comment, subscribe, felly? I said it. So just, if you don't mind, just do that, and then you'll see part 2, which might be next episode, or it might not be, I don't know. We'll soon, probably won't be. What's next after this?
It'll just be probably a short
It's
video.
Christmas, isn't it? It's
before
Christmas, stuff like that. I'm not doing it on Christmas, mate.
Yeah.
I'm taking time off. Yeah, aye, so hopefully you enjoyed. Not that much you can enjoy really, but catch you on the flip side.
You're forgetting something, mate.
Stay jolly.